Many of you have said that you found that Google are taking a long time to review your situation. Maybe someone's removed your review, or they've removed one of your business listings, and then you've asked Google to review why they've done that, and it takes weeks before they even come back to you. Well, today I'm going to show you why that is. It's basically down to the fact that there's been 4 million fake businesses removed in the last year. Welcome to my video. Hi, I'm Zane from Zanet Design, and I help businesses like yours grow on the internet. So if you're able to continue to build on the things that I'm teaching you, then you'll see over time that your local business and your local SEO will grow, and you'll get more clients coming through for your business. So today I'm looking particularly at something that most people seem quite concerned about, is the fact that they suddenly get an email from Google saying that their business listing is being suspended, or there's some type of issue. And then when they then try and resolve it, it takes so long for Google to come back to them. Why are Google taking so long? Well, it's interesting to see what Google have done over the last year. And basically they're spending a lot of their resources on looking at fake reviews and looking at fake businesses and then trying to put them right. So in effect, what they're trying to do is allow the true businesses to flourish on Google Maps. And they're trying to remove the fake, the spammers, and all the other issues that have been invented to try and beat the system. So let's just consider some of the things that Google have done. For example, they've removed 4 million fake businesses or listings in the last year. They've also taken away 75 million fake reviews. So when someone puts up a review that's not true, they've asked someone to do it, or they've just paid someone to put up several reviews, they've then had those investigated and removed. So those are two reasons, but here's a few more. 258,000 of those business profiles removed were due to contributor reports. So that's a lot of people that are spotting it and they're doing then something about it. So we can all play our part. If we're trying to be honest in our business, play your part by, if you know there's abuse or you know that someone's put a fake review, then you can report it and it is reviewed. And that's part of kind of the crowd working together and helping Google to combat spammers. 580,000 of those reviews removed were due to contributor reports as well. 10 million photos and 3 million videos were also removed. And 475,000 user accounts were disabled and removed. So why does this happen? Well, because people recognise the power of Google My Business. What would be my recommendation? My recommendation would be to just stick to what the guidelines are. In time, I believe that if you're a genuine business, then I think you'll do well, and Google will make sure that your ranking appears nearer the top than those that are trying to rig the system. Having said that, there's no harm in trying to find good ways and convenient ways of improving your ranking, but certainly you want to do it in the right way and following Google's guidelines rather than just trying to rig it by fake spamming, fake reviews and fake listings. So let's just give you an example of how easy it is for suddenly fake reviews to appear in your industry. We'll just jump on and see what we can find. So to make this kind of point, I'm just going to randomly pick a area that we'll see whether we can see why some of these fake websites have been reported. So I'm coming up with web design in Liverpool. So I'll just type that in, web design in Liverpool. And okay, so looking through this here then. So the only reason I've chosen this is that I kind of know about web design as well, and I think this is often where SEO and digital marketing is where perhaps some of the tricks are played. So it's fine when you've got an advert, obviously people are paying for that. So one of the biggest things that everyone's doing is they're taking the what people are searching for, and they know that if your company is called Web Design in Liverpool, then Google's going to put you right up here. And this is a good example here, Web Design Liverpool. Now, I think sometimes they genuinely do have that as their company name. And if they've done that, well, good on them. They've done the right thing. And I think in this case, yes, Web Design Liverpool, they've given it, they've got the domain, they've got the name. They probably aren't, they're probably doing this to get the traffic. And they're doing a good job of it. And they're actually kind of, in effect, they are probably finding the loophole and doing it the right way, so they won't miss out on that, and you have to just accept that that's fine. So I'm not seeing any reason why you can believe that this isn't the case. Yeah, I mean, they've given themselves Web Design Liverpool, that is their logo, that is their copyright, that is their web address. It may be another company behind it, but they're not doing anything at all wrong here. So you have to just accept that that's just good, clever working with it. But I did notice, just going through here, that there's others as well. So Web Design in Liverpool, okay, they are genuinely that, so that's fine, we can't argue with that. But I think I saw it, yeah, Liverpool Web Design, no reviews. Web Design Liverpool, okay, that's reasonable, though no website. Web Design Liverpool again, and then Web Design Liverpool, Web Design Liverpool. Often Web Design Liverpool, these are just either repeated clients with just using different websites, or it could be that they're trying to just kind of overcomplicate their profile to fit in with the search term. I mean, the sad thing is you want Liverpool web designers to come up and the best ones to be at the top. That's what you really want. And of course, it's kind of always a bit of a fight. But let's just see. It's okay. Let's take this one. So this says it's website. So there you go. So that's not called Liverpool Web Design. So they're saying that their company name is Web Design. Sorry, not that one. Where was it? This one down here. Web Design Liverpool. They're saying that's their company name. So I'm not going to challenge them, but I would suggest that isn't the case. If we click on that, so that's a stock. That's not actually proper photos. That's a kind of just a stock photo. I've got that myself, that one. So they've got a phone number, they've got an address, they've got 3 reviews that are 5-star. No information at all here other than just this one here. So I wouldn't challenge them, because at the end of the day it's not the style, but this is why people then suddenly get their kind of profiles removed, because this gets reported. So how does someone report it? I think it's just a case of if you feel that that's not correct, then you can suggest an edit. So if you go to suggest an edit, and you might just say you don't think it exists, or if you click on change the name, then that also then is how you can edit it. So I'm not going to do that, because that's not my style. But if this gets removed, it's probably because people recognize that it doesn't actually reflect the company name, unless I've got this wrong. So there you go, I might be wrong, but I'm not seeing anything to suggest that the company name is, or the logo is representative of what they're saying, Web Design Liverpool. And you'll find this goes on throughout. So the fact that there's about 5 different companies here that claim they're Web Design Liverpool, that's going to be an interesting conversation that all those companies are going to have when Google suddenly goes that you're no longer being able to be shown on Google My Business. But all the best. I think that these guys here have done it right. Actually, they've given themselves a company name, Web Design Liverpool. Go to their website, Web Design Liverpool, and that's the right way to do it. Is it correct? Is it genuinely their company name? Is it registered with Company House? I don't know, but anyway, that's just a thought there as to why there is so many profile removals. People are trying hard to beat the system. My view would be just be genuine and do the right thing. Follow the videos that I've given you, and in time Google is going to eradicate these types of accounts and yours will float to the top. That's my view anyway.